vibratory feeder for recycling industry. In this video, our vibratory feeder is installed in a reputed pet recycling plant. Jaykrishna Magnetics Private Limited have manufactured a broad range of vibratory feeder for excellent feeding of very free-flowing material. Basically, vibratory feeder use vibration to feed material. Highly efficient vibratory motor is used to generate vibration. You can see how properly the feeding process is done in pet recycling line. It used in various bulk material handling applications like pharmaceutical, food, automotive, plastic, recycling, etc. To know more about our vibratory feeder, visit our website www.jkmagnetic.com.